how to fix the PayPal Express checkout not working in Shopify. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now, the thing is, why it probably won't work is because your store is based in a country where PayPal is not available. So you cannot link your PayPal account to your Shopify account if it's not in a country where PayPal is enabled. So in order to fix that, you want to go to settings, go to general settings, scroll a little bit down, and you want to change your country, your city, and your zip code. Now for me it says to change your country or region, deactivate Shopify payments in the payment settings. So you want to do that first, and after that you'll be able to change your country, your city, and your zip code. Now what you can do is you can go to fake address generator, and you can go to the home page. It's already on the home page. You can click on all countries, and you can choose a country that where PayPal is enabled or allowed. So that would probably be most countries in Europe and in America. You can choose one of those. So let's say I would choose Belgium for example. Then what you can do is copy this, you can copy the city and the zip code right there, and then go back and enter it right here and there, and change the country to Belgium as well, of course, and then save it. And now you should be able to use PayPal on Shopify. So that is basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.